Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the buttons in Zoom. So through your email, click on the invitation and you want to open Zoom. You can use any of these. If you don't see this, there might be an orange button down here. You would have run it. I'm going to open Zoom and here I am. Hi. So I'm the student right here. This is the teacher right here. And I just want to run through the different buttons on the screen. First off, we have gallery view. And I'm going to click it. And now, oh, I'm big. Now I'm small. Okay, I'm going to click on myself up here. And now I'm going to click it. I'm still big. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to show the non-video participants. Oh, now I can see everybody. Okay. The point is that you really want to go to the teacher and you want to hide the non-video participants so that the screen doesn't flicker all over. Okay, now for some reason I'm on me. I'm going to go back to this button. There's the teacher. The teacher is going to be big all the time now. Okay, you can also full screen it and full screen it. Okay, now these different buttons right down here, let's talk about these. You can mute yourself, and there's a lot of different options here. You can stop the video, look at my little screen. Oh, see me? Now you don't. Now you see me. Okay, you also have all these different options right here. You might have choose virtual background. That's kind of fun. Okay, and video settings. Right here are the participants. This is an important button. That's everybody who's in here. And you can see if you've been muted or your camera's been blocked. But even more important than that, down here is raise hand. Okay, see the raise hand button down there? If you click it, look what happens to yourself. Your little hand goes up. Okay, and that's a way to get the teacher's attention. You can also lower your hand. Now it's gone. Okay. So another important button is share screen. That's how you can share your whole screen. And I have all these different options showing. Okay. Chat. You can chat with other people. Look right down here. It says everybody. You can do private chats. You can add files. And then you can also save the chat right here. When I'm teaching, I don't look at the chat very much. It's going too fast. So don't try to ask me questions in there because I probably won't see them. Better to just ask the question. Okay. And then record. You can't record unless I give you permission. Now the reactions button is kind of important. It's even better than the raise hand button. If you look at the reactions button, now if you look at my little screen right there, look. Oh, now I have a hand. Here, I'm going to make myself bigger. Oh, it's a lot of me. Okay, yay. Okay, and if you just leave it there for a little bit, I think it goes away all by itself. Okay. Now, that's pretty much it to Zoom. And if you want to leave the meeting, you just come down here to leave meeting, and you're done.